5 in New York City. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO35 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The current time is 8:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The extended coastal waters forecast from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. For Wednesday, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots, diminishing to 10 to 15 knots in the afternoon.
Okay, a quick look at the weather. Snow on the east side. Drive carefully. You're out there. Could see 6 inches additional by the time the morning rolls around. Okay, on behalf
The National Weather Service in New York has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 7 p.m. this afternoon to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this Thursday. Snow is expected to increase across the region early tonight and continue overnight. Accumulation of 2 to 4 inches are expected by early Friday. The brunt of this storm is expected Friday and Friday night. Snow, heavy at times, will combine with southeast winds of 23 to 31 miles per hour, and local gusts near 45 miles per hour. This will create very dangerous to near impossible driving conditions on Friday. Additional accumulation of 6 to 10 inches are possible tomorrow, although temperatures will moderate Sunday and Sunday night as the storm approaches. Be aware that much colder air will blast the region this afternoon. The combination of wind and cold air will generate wind chills of 15 to 20 below zero Friday and Friday night. Be prepared for the changes in seriously and considered necessities of travel during the storm.